Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about recently updated AIPRM ChatGPT prompts, especially for research. So let us go on to today's video and explore the ChatGPT prompts which is usually useful for our research article preparation. And also we will explore some other latest updated prompts which will be useful for us to make or create content, especially academic content. So before going to today's video, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to organize an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for our research article preparation, and also we are going to explore different ChatGPT prompts and how to train your ChatGPT AI to use to create a better content for your research paper. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link for the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, so we are going to explore the latest updated AIPRM ChatGPT prompts. So in this we go to ChatGPT. So here you will be having AIPRM ChatGPT prompts. So if you are not familiarized with this AIPRM prompts, so you can go on and check our before video. So that video explains how to install the AIPRM extension and how to get this window. After that you will be having different options here. Here you can see topic. So there are different topics related with that particular prompts, and also you can see the activities. So here you will be having different activities, and then you can sort by usage, trending, absolute, top use, latest updated. So here what I am going to click is click on latest updated prompts. So these are the latest updated ChatGPT prompts. So here you can see the first one will be 100% human content without plagiarism. So in this what I am going to do is I am going to give a content. So let us see how it will work out and how it will change the content. So click on that 100% human content without plagiarism. So what I am going to do is I am going to, in order to explore that prompt, I am going to copy a content here. So copy that content and paste the content. So and then click enter. So let us see how this prompt will work out. So here you can see from the paragraph, so it will generate a detailed version of that paragraph, so into a human written content. So here you can see the introduction of the content, and a PV system, a closer outlook. Next is solar revolution PV system applications. Next is solar power for homes, green energy for business. Next, utility scale power stations, grid connection and off grid solutions, PV busting myths, solar panel are fragile, expensive. So like that. Next you will be having FAQs related with the particular content. So you will be getting a detailed content using this prompt, that is 100% human content without plagiarism. So after that, the next prompt what we are going to discuss is that writing style analysis and pattern generation. So click on that prompt. So here you will be having this prompt description: analyzing a given text and creating a writing pattern and can be useful to emulate a particular style for new text. So what I am going to do is I am going to copy and paste a paragraph of a text. So here click enter. So let us see how it will analyze the writing pattern. So here it will give the analysis of the particular text. The provided text exudes a professional informational writing style with a focus on technical details. The tone is primarily objective and explanatory, aimed to conveying complex information in a clear and concise manner. The text implies a range of specific features that contribute to its distinctive style. So here you can see this is clarity and precision, technical terminology. Next, logical structure, measurement units, comparison and contrast, market information. So like that you can analyze the content. To create a writing pattern that emulates the style, consider the following guidance: how to follow this writing guides. So like that it will generate information related with the particular paragraph. So in order to analyze your text, you can use this kind of prompt. The next prompt what we are going to discuss is that code generator. So click on code generator. So in this you can write your code, query or question. So here you will be having an example here, animating a cube using 3JS. So like that you can ask any question. Here you can see what I have asked for this MPPT algorithm using cuckoo search optimization. So it is one of the bio-inspired techniques. So we often use it to check particle square optimization, perturb and observe MPPT algorithm, next incremental conductance MPPT. So like that we often use. So here I have asked for a cuckoo search optimization. So here you can see the cuckoo search optimization generates a MATLAB code for this particular thing, that is cuckoo search optimization. So you can use this code and you can copy the code in the particular language, and you can customize the code for better generation. So you can generate a code using this code generator prompt. The next prompt what we are going to discuss is that text corrector and proofreader. So here click on the text corrector and proofreader. So you can copy and paste your text. So this text corrector and proofreader will check the spellings and grammatical mistakes present in your paragraph. So here I have copied this paragraph. Let us see how it will generate results. Yes, our results is started to generated. So here proposed correction, corrected PV to PV. So PV system convert light directly into electricity and are not able to confused with other solar technologies. So add period after BOS. So here it will be added. Next add hyphen small portion to small portion. So here you can see the small portion will be converted into small hyphen portion. So after comma, add comma after grid connected. So you can add comma after grid connected. So here you can see the revised version of the particular text we have copied, and also you will get a clear idea that what are the things which is changed, that is proofreaded, and the grammatical mistakes are identified and it is cleared using this prompt, ChatGPT prompt. And also you will get what are the things has been changed, and the suggestions also will be given where to add comma, where to add hyphen, like that. So you can make use of this option in this AIPRM prompt to check your report or thesis. So thereby you will be getting a better content using this kind of prompt. So the next prompt what we are going to discuss is that text 100% unique and human like. So click on that particular text 100% unique and human like, and then you can copy and paste the text here. So and then click on the text. So let us see how it will generate particular content. As we have already seen that 100% human written content, plagiarism free content, in that we have given a paragraph. That paragraph will be converted into a detailed version starting from introduction, and a detailed analysis of the particular paragraph is given. So this prompt will help you to give a crisp idea about the particular particular paragraph you have copied. So here you can see, in PV system a solar array is a key component consisting of ensemble of solar panels. These panels capture sunlight and harness its energy to generate electricity. So like that it will change all the sentences. Here you can see it is not alike with the same sentence we have given as a input. So like that you can write it as a human like content. So this may help you to get rid of your plagiarism in your research paper. So instead of going for paraphrasing tools, you can use this kind of option in ChatGPT. So thereby you can escape from your plagiarism. So get rid of AI direction and all. So you are going to copy the content from your own paper. So that paper only paraphrased, so there will be no possibility for AI direction. So don't worry about that. So you can make use of this option to get rid of plagiarism in your research paper. So the next one what we are going to discuss is that code review helper, heaven for coders. So I am going to click this one. So it is helpful to optimize your code and may provide better solution. Please paste your code. So in order to optimize that, so I have MATLAB code for P&O MPPT algorithm. So this is the MATLAB code for P&O MPPT algorithm. So what I am going to do is I am going to copy that P&O MPPT algorithm. I am going to paste that and click enter. So let us see how it will analyze the code. So here you can see the feedback of the code. So we have copied. So here you can see use more descriptive variables, single letter variables, name D, P, V may be code less readable. So after that, so the analysis of the code is done. So here you can see the redundancy, the expression PPV is calculated twice. To improve efficiency and readability, you can calculate it once and store in a variable. So like that, it will give the analysis of the particular code. So if you find any code related with your research work, so you can copy and paste the code here in this kind of prompt and get the code analyzed very easily. The next important thing what we are going to discuss is that important prompt is that rewrite title. So here you can give any title. For example, say I am going to give grid connected PV system for electric vehicle charging station. So and then click enter. So let us see how it will rewrite the title. So here it will be written as creating an electric vehicle charging station with a grid connected PV system. So like that, it will realign your title. If you are find that your title is not good, so you can make use of this option to regenerate your title very easily. Here the next prompt is human like almost unique article. So here I am going to click, so it will generate a long form article. For example, I am going to give a topic called renewable energy. So let us see how it will write content for as human like. So here you can copy and paste your any research title also. So here you can see the detailed explanation of the particular topic is given. Renewable energy powering a sustainable future. So what is renewable energy? Key source of renewable energy, advantages of renewable energy, and then you can have conclusion and frequently asked question. So like that, you can write any research topic or research related content. So you can get a better that is better technical content, so which will be useful for your research article preparation, and you can increase the number of words in your research paper also by copying this kind of academic content. So these are the important recently updated ChatGPT prompts, so especially for research. So you can go on AIPRM ChatGPT prompts instead for searching different tools for summarizing, so some other option to convert AI direction to human direction. So like that, so you can make use of this option in this AIPRM ChatGPT prompts and generate a better content easily using this kind of prompts. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.